Hey, what is up guys, this is FNH here, and today I am back with a brand new product review, and I am reviewing the TOOWELL motion sensing ceiling light. Okay, so this is basically it. The packaging is pretty simple. On the other side I have my address and information, so that's why I'm not flipping it over. So basically it's just a simple box, nothing really in it, or I should say on the box itself. But this is the light. I got it on Amazon for $25, I believe, right? So I needed something to just put in my house inside the closet, right? I have a small closet slash room, so I wanted something to basically, automatically get on once the door or if someone enters the closet. So this is basically it. It does comes with the screws, so you can just use those. It comes with the booklet, kind of crushed up, but nevertheless comes with the booklet, right? And this is basically it. It is blue. I'm not really a big fan of this blue over here. And aside from that, this is the sensor, right, which is standard sensor. Aside from that, what I don't really like about this, it uses 4 D batteries, which it's not really, no one really has D batteries lying around their house. Obviously I'm sure the reason they thought of this was so you put in D batteries, they last for a while, and you don't have to replace it for a while. So that's good on their part, but I guess D batteries is not something that I have just lying around my house. So either I would have to make the decision to return this, or go out and buy D batteries and make sure I have some extra just in case those die. Okay, it does say in the listing that it does require 4 D batteries. I guess I just didn't read that, but it wasn't in the title, so I don't know why I assumed that it didn't have it. It would have been a lot better if it was a rechargeable one. That would have been just a lot better and a lot easier. I don't know why they didn't come up with that design. But other than that, this is basically it. So if you guys are considering getting this, just keep in mind that you will need 4 D batteries to basically use this. Okay, so yeah, not really thrilled with this product. I was really looking forward for a pretty big motion sensing light. This is a pretty good size in my opinion, right? If you guys watched the video about the garage light, it's kind of like slightly smaller than the garage light, but very similar. That's pretty big, and this pretty big also. But aside from that, products, I guess, if you guys are okay with D batteries, definitely get it. If not, I would highly suggest you get something else. So yeah, let me know what you guys' thoughts are. I'll leave a link for this in the description below if you guys are interested in just checking it out. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the description below. Other than that, FNH out.